today we're going to be investigating 1.11 is that we get to investigate properties of points, line segments, lines, and rays. This is part of a broader part of math called geometry. Geometry is everywhere and in everything, as we came to find out through our reading today, right? So in terms of points, line segments, lines, and rays, okay? I'm going to start with a line segment here, okay? Does anybody know what the word segment means? Can you help us with that, please? What does that mean?
A line segment is a piece of a line.
It's a piece, exactly. It's indicated by 2 points at the end. So when I say points, well, I'm sorry. Yeah, 2 points at the end, okay? Line segments indicated by 2 points at the end. A line. A line is similar, except it has these arrows to show that lines go on forever, okay? A line segment is just a piece of a line. Lines go on forever and ever and ever, okay? And it's indicated with these arrows. These arrows show that it go on forever and ever and ever, okay? And then the last one is called a ray. And a ray starts in a place, but continues on forever. And it's indicated by this point moving on forever and ever and ever. Is everybody okay with the difference between line segments, line, and ray? Okay. There's a way to name line segments, lines, and rays. Okay. For instance, in your math boxes today, you label the points. Okay. The points are for labeling. Okay. The name of this line segment is QR, and you indicate it with just that line segment piece above it. That's the name of this. There's a second name for this, by the way. It could be RQ with the line segment above it. Is everybody okay with labeling that line segment? Okay. Just to make it difficult for you, or not difficult, it might be that you have a line segment with another point, like dot to dot. Can we hang on for a few minutes? Okay. In this case, you have to name it in order. So it has to be QZR. It can be called RZQ, but it cannot be called QRZ. And it cannot be called RQZ, because you have to name it in order. Okay? This line segment can also be called QZ. It can be called ZQ. It can be called RZ. It can be called RQ. Is that okay? Are we all right with that? Awesome. Great stuff. Anybody want to take a guess what I called this line and how I would label it? Yes. You can call it NO or ON, but it's not done yet. What do you think I have to do? Exactly. Okay. Same with this. If I were to put a B here, same thing. It could be called NBO. And you'll see it like this. NBO. It's key to get that to show whether it's a line segment, or ray. Okay. It could turn and talk to your blue partner. What other names could this line be called to you? Here's some other names for this line. Yes, sir. It could be called BO. Yes. Yes, sir. It cannot be called NOB because that's out of order. NOB. So that's good. I'm glad we have this failed. What else can it be called? Yes. It can be called BN. Any other names that you came up with? Yes. It can be OBN. What else can it not be? What else can it not be? It can't be BON. What else can it not be? All the way in the back. It can't be NOB because it's all out of order, okay? A question came up. Does it matter what the letters are? It only matters if your math journal, whoever's asking you, gives you the letters already. So they'll say draw a line segment, NB, then you have to choose their letters. But if you're creating your own line segment or line, then you create your own, okay? Yes, sir. Question?
So I was just gonna say it's called O-N.
It cannot be called ONB, correct. All right, who wants to give me, so Ray, who wants to give me this thought? Yes. Can be called LM, but what's the key here? It's called Ray LM. And you have to show it with that here, okay? By the way, a ray can go in both directions, all right? But with a ray, this cannot be called, it cannot be called ML in that direction. Because you have to show where the dot or where the point starts with L and where it continues through a line with M. Does that make sense with that? Red partner.